Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Realme Buds with your MacBook. So first of all, you have to open this charging case and then click and hold this button and wait until indicator starts blinking. There we go. Right now it is blinking, so we just have to go to the Bluetooth settings. And now from the nearby devices list we have to select our earbuds. Just wait until they appears on the list. There we go. So click connect. And we are connected. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.